Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be taking you through my laundry room organisation, including how I organise all my household and backstock items in one of my cupboards in the laundry room, and I'll also be taking you through my general laundry room organisation, how I organise everything else that I keep in there, and show you the systems that I found to be working for me. So let's get into it. So the first step in any process to organise your space is to declutter. So I'm starting out by just taking out everything that's in this big cupboard. I find when you have a large space like this, as great as it is, it's very easy for things to get pushed to the back and just thrown in there without proper organisation. So I always make sure to remove everything from the space and then give it a good clean out. So anything that doesn't need to be sorted, so large items like backstock of toilet paper, paper towel, that kind of thing, I'm just putting straight back where it originally was and just trying to organise it a bit better in various containers and baskets, just to try and contain everything and make it a bit easier to access. So in the interim, I like to use little sticky notes, which you can see on the front of the shelf, just to make sure I know what to label everything as afterwards and where things are going to go. And then the next step is categorizing. So all those small items that were just chucked in large containers, I'm going through and making sure I sort through it, categorize it, so I can break down those categories further and organize appropriately.
Am I safe for walking out on us? Or am I losing touch? Too many games, now all our chips are lost. Luck was not in.
Now cleaning out this space was a pretty large task, so I did split it up over a couple of days, hence the outfit change. So I definitely recommend doing that. If you have a space that's really big to tackle, do it over multiple days. You don't have to do it all at once, or you can just pick a small portion of it and do that, whatever works best for you.
Now here we stand and hover on the edge. We're just a drop in time. I feel like I gave you every breath I had.
So I think one of the key things to maintaining any space that you want to keep organized is making sure you label it. So it's not only making it very clear for yourself or anyone else in your household as to where things belong, but it also means that you're not just dumping things wherever you feel like it, you're popping them back in their home, and also it gives you a chance to reevaluate when that space is getting full to make sure that you're going through everything, getting rid of anything you don't need anymore, and being mindful of what you're actually bringing into your home. So I've organised everything by most used to least frequently used. So we've got things like any sort of party supplies that are sitting up the top, cooler bags and picnic bags, all that type of stuff up the top again. Then further down I've got basic household items. So these are just back stock of a lot of different things. And then various electricals, so we've got some light bulbs and some extension cords in there. Any outdoor stuff, so mozzie candles, sunscreen, that type of thing. And then more used, all medicines and first aid, various jars which I grab frequently when I open a new package of something. I grab a container for it. Down here, while these aren't as frequently used, I like to keep these on a lower shelf just because they're heavy items, and this way I can grab them out a bit easier. So the air fryer and the food processor, and then all cleaning items down here, so vinegar, baking soda, cleaners, etc. Then on this side I've got just some larger items, so things like vases, the drink dispenser, and this is just making it a bit easier by having it on a turntable. You can just pop everything on it and move it around nice and easy. Then down here, all the bathroom extras, so things for my bathroom and also the guest bathroom. Candles, so I got lots of candles, so I like to keep these on a lower shelf as well just because they're really heavy. And then down here is all the back stock of toilet paper, paper towels and tissues. So here's all the back stock of either bulk items we've bought or just general back stock. So things like stock, canned tomatoes, large bottles of vinegars and oils, and sauces here. This is all baking back stock, so anything that I bought extras of or opened, it doesn't fit in the pantry at the moment. Same here, baking back stock, and then these are more snacks, biscuits, etc. I keep all our laundry stuff here, so everything that I don't use as regularly goes in a bin, so stain removers, laundry bags, that type of thing. This needs to be an easy grab, so the laundry detergent, so I just keep that to the side. And then further up I've got some back stock there. And always making sure to label everything, so it's really... So that is my laundry room organisation tour. I hope you enjoyed it and got some ideas to organise your own space. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.